Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix games are crashing in startup in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your games are crashing on the startups, let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to click on the start button and then search for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. You just have to search for this and click open to open this. You can also press enter from your keyboard